What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Part 3 on restoring the 1975 F600. We got my other cousin helping us, John Allen's brother, and he's gonna cut a piece of metal and he's gonna weld it in there and patch that hole up, and then we're gonna throw some Bondo on there, probably 3 or 4 layers, whatever it takes to get it leveled out with the rest of the vehicle, and we're gonna get into it. Got a little video action going on, you know. Alright guys, we got this side job going on while we're getting that hole welded up. And then we got me, you know, the pro sander, you know. Getting the job done. John Allen hasn't done anything all day long.
Yeah.
What you been doing? He also got some pieces of cardboard out for him.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Fine job we got going on here. John, this is scary looking, alright, bub?
Yeah, it is.
If I catch a finger in there, it's gone. It's ground beef.
Pretty well.
I need me a dang welding mask for this, bub. I need it. This is bad. What do you think I should do, John?
I don't know.
I don't want to do that. I feel like a bunch of... I know. What's up, John? What's up? Who's Jeff?
Left it alone.
What? That spot?
Paint was still wet.
What you laughing at, John?
I was a little too close there.
Got the hole patched up pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna be the next Whistle and Diesel. We're gonna wreck this baby right here.
Go back.
He's talking about your truck. He said it's got insurance. You can go ahead.
Yeah, this is
Big John.
Ooh, that car's next on my list to wreck. And then it's the Ford. And then it's the Sequoia. We're hitting all of them, John. Hitting all the bases. Alright, guys.
We got it done. The hole is patched.
We got her finished up.
Looks pretty good. Can't even tell there was a hole there.
There is no telling that there was ever a hole there. She's ready to get painted up. Actually, I'm just kidding. There is a bunch of dents that we gotta fix.
How's it going, Dave?
It is going, bro. We got that hole patched up, so well, I didn't really rehearse this whole time.
Well, we didn't patch hole.
Yeah, we didn't patch it.
Kyle did.
Kyle gave me a bunch. We would have been and that truck would have been absolutely butchered up. So,
Okay, goodbye now.
yeah, see you later. That's all for that. All right, we was just playing about saying goodbye earlier. We got some stuff to talk about. So now that we got that hole patched up, so what you guys just watched was the welding and the put Bondo on it, like 3 different layers. He sprayed primer on there. Am I missing anything, bud?
sand it down.
Yeah, he sanded it down every time he put primer and Bondo on there to get it even. Alright, well, before we was rudely interrupted by that phone call, I was talking about how we're gonna get the bin out of that same side that we welded, or that we just patched up today, and then we're gonna paint it. Well, we're gonna sand her down, and then we're gonna paint it. But before we do that, we'll probably get all the rust off the frame and put a coat of rust-resistant paint over that. So that's the plan for the next couple videos. And then in the next few months, we got a open built out here in this barn.
Friday night, what? Baby.
I don't even know. But we got a open with it, and then towards winter time we'll probably start on the house that we're remodeling. So that's what you'll probably end up seeing here in the next few months, and that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one, buddy. I didn't mean to say buddy. We'll see you in the next video, guys.
We'll cut in some bloopers right now.
Is it going?
What?
Is it going, John? I'm not doing this.
Why not?
Here, I'm gonna do this. What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Part 3 on restoring the 1975 F600.
You gotta do something to get everybody's attention.
We got Kyle Bulldog Cross here.
I think they call that years.
Briar still calls you that.
Does it really?
Yeah,
He says Bulldog?
yeah, last night we were talking to him. He's like, how's Bulldog doing?
Is it still filming?
Yeah.
Alright, we're just gonna get back in the intro. I'll cut all this. No, keep it. Yeah, where did I leave off? What did I say last? Do you remember?
No. Something about him.
Oh yeah, I said we got Kyle Bulldog Cross here helping us. Well, I'll cut that. We got my other cousin helping us, John Allen's brother, and he's gonna cut a piece of metal and he's gonna weld it in there and patch that hole up, and then we're gonna throw some Bondo on there, probably 3 or 4 layers, whatever it takes to get it leveled out with the rest of the vehicle, and we're gonna get into it.